Orange Saharan sandstorm strikes Malaga, Spain again. After another Saharan sandstorm struck Malaga, Spain, the city is covered with an orange-hued tinge, seen on Thursday, March 24th. The State Meteorological Agency, EMET, had already warned of the entry of a new cloud of African dust that could remain on the Costa del Sol for a couple of days. The forecast is that, especially this afternoon, large amounts of reddish sand will accumulate on sidewalks and parked cars, as happened a few days ago. The Costa del Sol skies have been turned a deep rust red by the phenomenon known locally as Kalima. Kalima, a layer of Saharan air, a gust of dusty, warm wind from a Saharan storm that sweeps over the African desert. It is a hot, dry mist that irritates the respiratory tract, reduces visibility, and covers everything with a layer of fine dust.